front of me is DOOGEE S98, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off auto brightness on this smartphone. First of all, go into settings and tap on display over here. Now you need to click on this switcher next to adaptive brightness feature, and as you can see, auto brightness is now on. If you were to turn it off though, you can always do that by choosing the same switcher. You can also go into tab menu instead and click on this little sun icon next to brightness slider. If it's blue, that means that auto brightness is on. If you were to turn it off, just click on the same icon. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!